Joseph John Thomson, who was always called JJ, was born in Cheetham Hills, England in 1856. His father wanted him to become an engineer and sent him to Owens College when an engineering apprenticeship cannot be found. After he graduated from Trinity College at Cambridge, he started to work in the Cavendish laboratory. In 1894, Thomson started to study cathode rays, which were beams of light that followed an electrical discharge in a high vacuum tube. It was a popular topic that was studied by many physicists because the nature of cathode rays was not understood. Cathode ray tubes are steel glass tubes in which most of the air has been sucked out. A high voltage is applied to one end of the tube across two electrodes, which causes the negatively charged cathode to move to the positively charged anode. These rays could be detected by painting phosphorus on the far end of the tube beyond the anode. The phosphorus material will emit a spark or light when hit by the cathode rays. In his experiment, Thomson placed two oppositely charged electric plates around the cathode ray tube and found that the cathode ray was repelled away from the negatively charged plate, but attracted towards the positively charged plate. This showed that cathode rays are made up of negatively charged particles. When Thomson passed cathode rays through the vacuum, he was able to calculate the angles at which they were reflected off and calculate the ratio of the electrical charges to the mass of the particles. Using this knowledge, he determined that all matter is composed of particles that are smaller than an atom, which we now know as electrons. Beginning of 1906, Thomson began to study positively charged ions or positive rays. This led to a second discovery in 1912 when he channeled a stream of ionized neon through a magnetic and electric field and used deflection techniques to measure the charge to mass ratio. By doing this, he found that the neon was composed of two different kinds of atoms and proved the existence of isotopes. Thomson won the 1906 Nobel Prize in Physics, among many accolades. He died on August 30th, 1940. When Thomson died, he was buried near two other influential scientists, Charles Darwin and Isaac Newton.